Hey Fit Fam, welcome back, and today we're diving into a killer abs workout. Before we hit those abs, it's crucial to get our core muscles warmed up. Warming up increases blood flow, prepares your muscles for the workout ahead, and helps prevent injuries. So let's kickstart with some gentle leg raises and bicycle crunches. Remember, it's not a race, so take it slow and steady. These exercises are all about activating your core and getting it ready for what's coming next. Feeling warmed up? Awesome. It's time to get into the main exercises. First up, we have the Russian twists. Fantastic for targeting those obliques. This dynamic exercise is all about precision and control. You'll start by sitting on the ground with your knees bent, feet flat. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight and strong. This is your starting position. Now clasp your hands together and twist your torso to the right, then to the left. That's 1 rep. As you twist, really focus on your obliques, those side ab muscles. Feel them contract and release with each twist. Keep your movements controlled and deliberate. You're not just swinging side to side, you're working those abs with intention. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about control. Aim for 20 twists on each side. Take your time and really focus on the movement and the muscles you're targeting. You're doing great. Great work. Now we move on to a classic move that hits the entire core. Next, we have the plank, an absolute core crusher. This is a classic move that targets your entire core. To do it properly, start by placing your forearms on the ground with your elbows aligned below your shoulders. Keep your arms parallel to your body at about shoulder-width distance. Now ground your toes into the floor and squeeze your glutes to stabilize your body. Be cautious not to lock or hyperextend your knees. Your head should be in line with your back. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold a plank, but how well you can hold it. 30 seconds of good form is better than a minute of bad form. So let's challenge ourselves to hold this position, engage those abs, and aim for a solid 30 seconds. Feeling that burn yet? Good. That's exactly what we're going for. Now, we amplify the intensity with a move that targets both the upper and lower abs. Up next are the leg raises, excellent for working those lower abs. This exercise is a total game changer for your core workout routine. To start, lie flat on your back. Place your hands under your glutes for support. Now, lift your legs straight up towards the ceiling, keeping them as straight as possible. Lower them back down, but don't let your heels touch the floor. That's 1 rep. The key here is control. Resist the urge to drop your legs quickly. Instead, lower them with intention, engaging your lower abs throughout the motion. Remember to keep your back flat on the floor throughout the exercise. Let's go for a total of 15 reps. Take your time, there's no rush. Feel the burn in your lower abs with each rep. This workout isn't just about quantity, but quality of movement. Amazing effort. Now we wrap up with a move that engages not just the core, but also your balance. Finally, we have the mountain climbers, a move that tests your core and balance. This exercise is like a high-intensity, full-body sprint for your muscles. To get started, assume a plank position. Your hands should be directly below your shoulders, your body forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Now here's the fun part. Drive one knee towards your chest, as if you're about to start running. Return it to the plank position, and then do the same with the other knee. That's 1 rep. Make sure to keep your core engaged and your back straight throughout the exercise. And we're off. Let's aim for 30 seconds of mountain climbers. Remember, it's not about speed, it's about control and maintaining proper form. Fantastic job, Fit Fam. That's our quick and effective abs workout. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, keep crushing those fitness goals.